Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your name on Monopoly Go. Changing your name in Monopoly Go involves updating your profile setting within the game. First of all, open the Monopoly Go application and from the main home page, go ahead and tap on the horizontal bars at the top right corner. Now, in the expanded menu, tap on your profile icon or your avatar at the top. Now, click on the pencil icon right next to your name and type in a new name you are trying to change to. Tap on the submit button and then you have now successfully changed your username on Monopoly Go. As you can see that your display name has now been changed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.